The August Wenzler company stands for innovative manufacturing solutions. With the planning, production and installation of the featured equipment, Wenzler has covered all the steps along the value creation chain and has created a solution that delivers a perfectly balanced process. Our example shows the machining of up to 3000 rear subframes per week at Martin Rea Honsel in Meschede. The complete system is displayed very simply on a central computer, providing a clear overview and allowing the operator to control the individual elements that make up the system. The blank aluminium castings are fed from the foundry into the equipment to be machined. The system consists of 3 vertical chamber machines with a total of 6 spindles working in parallel. The workpieces are machined on 5 sides during operation 10 in the process. With 5 axes, long traverse paths and agile kinematics with excellent damping, the VKM principle from Wenzler is the ideal manufacturing solution. Good accessibility, an optimized chip flow and high flexibility ensure effective part flow and a working process that makes efficient use of energy. As well as a wide range of other application areas, the Wenzler VKM system is the perfect solution for producing structural parts for the automotive and aerospace industry in medium-sized lots. The centralized chip conveyor simplifies their disposal, and together with extraction equipment that is balanced to the requirements of the minimal lubrication system, makes a significant contribution to the optimization of the production process. Once the machining is complete, the change of workpiece is done by a 6-axis robot that is mounted on a 7th traverse axis. Thanks to its double gripper, the robot has very short loading and unloading cycles. In order to achieve optimum availability of the workpieces, they must be dry. This is only made possible by the use of minimal lubrication in the machining process. The workpieces are parked temporarily. Another robot picks the parts up and feeds them to the drilling unit. The 6th side of the workpiece is machined during operation 20 in the process. The infeed is handled by the drilling unit while the robot takes care of the positioning. 28 high-precision clip holes are then made. A 3rd robot then removes the parts from their parking position and feeds them to the brushing station. Machining burrs are removed from various areas of the workpiece by the brushes. The control computer guarantees the traceability of the parts. This means that any workpieces that have to be measured or any scrap parts can be ejected from the machine without impacting on the process. Previously defined workpieces can be removed following any of the value-adding steps, and after the quality check is completed, they can be returned to the process. The last step in the process: cleaning the machined workpieces. A drum washing machine has been selected here that includes a drying phase after the washing cycle is complete. The rotation of the workpieces during these phases means that the hollow spaces inside the workpiece can be effectively washed out and then dried. The workpieces now leave the Wenzler system in a perfect condition and are transported to the pre-assembly shop. In this case, the parts that have been produced will spend their working lives as reliable and robust rear subframes in the new Range Rover. The machines that make up the system are balanced perfectly to match the flow of parts. The process covering the chip conveyor system, extraction, drilling, brushing and washing runs continuously. The cycle time for each workpiece is 135 seconds. As a result, up to 3000 pieces a week can be processed through the perfectly balanced machining system. Thanks to our depth of experience and process know-how, we can also handle very complex production challenges. Because when it comes down to it, it is still the human mind that operates the machine.